1110, 99.3 WPT.
There are two seasons in the garage door industry when the weather gets like this and gets extremely cold, and one is this is when your garage door hardware is at its most stressed. And so if you pop a cable or something along those lines, just remember Garage Door Doctor would be the call to call. 704-858-4040. Mark Frummond and Company. Known him for 14, 15 years. He's no fly-by-night operation, and in fact, he'll over-deliver. So you got to be careful who you well-trained and polite, and they'll just over-deliver. I get more emails of saying they came out to do this, but while they were here, they also did this. I didn't expect that, blah, blah, blah. Dustin, Daniel, Jeff, they got some great people out there. At some point, I looked out on my furniture on the back deck, and I'd say 2.5, 3 inches up in Belmont, and then maybe more. I didn't go out there with a ruler, but we got a little bit more than what you think. Charlotte International, Douglas International activated a snow plan, closed one of its runways for de-icing on Wednesday morning, and but all the shuttles at the airport apparently are running normally, and there were about midday today, at that point, there was about 40 delayed flights at Charlotte Douglas and 2 canceled flights. And the cancellations may have as much to do with weather other places as it would the weather here. I don't know the particulars on that. But if you go to cltairport.com/news, you can get the latest information on the Charlotte Airport, or if you keep it right here, the news department is monitoring that as well. Or at Charlotte Airport, at CLT Airport on Twitter. Would